Assalamualaikum friends, here is Christmas button for web and games, and one is a Christmas party Facebook cover in PSD, and here is for Adobe Illustrator transcript in PNG file, but these are protected. Password in this app. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and here is my Facebook page, Sheri, follow me, and last is Telegram channel, Sheri official. I will provide every notification of video or any data first there on Telegram. Okay, so you can write anything. Here is button in PNG and full high definition files in this APS or EIA. Open in Photoshop. Resolution is okay. You see, full high definition. You can curve it like this one. New layer, delete it. Or simply open in Adobe Illustrator. So I write anything, for example, Sheri SK sale. Or depend your own choice, you can make more better. No, here is 28 button, and here is a PST cover. December 24. You can write your own text. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care, love, peace.